For years we've explored journeys of self-discovery and those aha moments that change everything. Often these breakthroughs are about remembering something ancient within us. That's what sound healing is, a remembering. It's tapping into a universal language, older than words, older than time itself, the language of vibration, frequency, and energy. Sound has power, it always has. And now we're rediscovering its incredible ability to heal. Let's talk about stress. We all experience it, the demands of work, family pressures, the constant barrage of information. But what if there's a way to find stillness within the chaos? That's what sound healing can do. Certain frequencies like those from Tibetan singing bowls can slow down our brainwaves, guiding us into deep relaxation. You close your eyes and you're bathed in resonant tones. Tension melts away, your heart rate slows, your breath deepens, and calm washes over you. Studies show that even a few minutes of these frequencies can significantly reduce cortisol levels. Sound healing provides a pathway back to our inner sanctuary. We often think of healing as something external, a pill, a treatment. But what if true healing begins at the cellular level? Sound healing proposes just that. Our bodies are energy, constantly vibrating at various frequencies. When disrupted, it can manifest as illness or imbalance. Sound healing introduces harmonious frequencies to recalibrate our cells. Think of the deep tones of a gong bath, penetrating deep into tissues, stimulating circulation and releasing tension. Studies show sound therapy can reduce chronic pain, improve sleep, and boost the immune system. It's a powerful tool to support your body's innate healing wisdom. Have you noticed how certain sounds can instantly shift your mood? The uplifting melody of a favorite song, the laughter of loved ones, the gentle patter of rain. Sound healing uses specific frequencies to clear mental clutter, shifting us from negativity to clarity and joy. Imagine feeling overwhelmed, creatively blocked. You close your eyes and you're enveloped in the pure tones of crystal singing bowls. A weight lifts, a sense of lightness returns, your mind feels sharper. Sound healing synchronizes the brain's hemispheres, promoting whole brain coherence. When our brain waves are in sync, creativity flows, intuition heightens, and we tap into deeper wisdom. It's about connecting to your most authentic, vibrant self and unlocking your brilliance. Sound is more than just something we hear, it's something we feel and embody. It's woven into the fabric of our being. Tapping into its healing power opens us to a world of possibilities. Imagine a life with less stress, more energy, and deep inner peace. Your body humming with vitality, your mind clear and focused, your heart overflowing with joy. This is the promise of sound healing, a journey of rediscovering the language your soul already knows. Your journey to harmony begins now.